Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and remove duplicates in Google Sheets to clean up your data and ensure your reports are 100% accurate. First, highlight your data range. The first step is telling Google Sheets exactly which part of your spreadsheet you want to scan for repeated information. Click and drag to select the cells, rows, or columns you want to check. If you want to clean your entire sheet, click the blank rectangle in the top left corner, above row 1 and to the left of column A, to select every cell at once. Next, use the Remove Duplicates tool. Google Sheets has a built-in feature that handles the heavy lifting without needing complex formulas. Go to the top menu and click on Data, then hover over Data Cleanup and select Remove Duplicates. A pop-up window will appear. If your data has headers like name or email, make sure to check the box that says Data has header row. You can select specific columns to check. For example, if you only want to remove rows with the same email address, only leave the email column checked. Lastly, confirm and review the results. Once you hit the blue Remove Duplicates button, Google Sheets will instantly strip out the extra copies and leave you with unique entries. Click the blue Remove Duplicates button. A summary box will pop up telling you exactly how many duplicate rows were found and removed and how many unique rows remain. Now finalize the process. And that's pretty much it. To remove duplicates in 2026, highlight your data, go to Data, Data Cleanup, Remove Duplicates, select your specific columns, and hit the button. It's the fastest way to turn a messy list into a professional, unique data set in just a few clicks. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.